It's very important to hear from our Hispanic community to ensure that we're meeting their needs. As we grow as a community, our Hispanic residents are growing, and we are a majority community already. And so we need to ensure that we are providing adequate services to all of our residents. So to hear firsthand from the Hispanic community is incredibly important for me as a leader, and then for our city as a community.
I moved to Tampa in 2001, right after college, and my plan was to be here 3 years and then move away. However, I fell in love with the history, the culture. Somebody calls it a vibe, the whole vibe that the city of Tampa has, that it's very inclusive. Our history goes back to being inclusive with all different cultures, hence the Cuban sandwich. It was really nice to be somewhere where everyone is accepted. Forums like this are important to be able to have a voice and things, how the city works and how the city moves forward.
We live in such a vibrant, multicultural community here in Tampa, that it being Hispanic Heritage Month, we were more than happy when the City of Tampa contacted us to say they wanted to have a workshop focused on identifying needs and collaboration. That's what we're all about here at Tampa Bay Lightning, using the great things that happen here at Amler Arena as a springboard to hopefully pilot great new things out in the community.